Welcome back guys, this is Ashwin. In this video we are going to solve the problem level order traversal of a tree. You are given a pointer to the root of a binary tree. You need to print the level order traversal of this tree. In level order traversal, we visit the nodes level by level from left to right. You only have to complete the function. So this is the example. We have to print all the elements level by level, that is 1, 2, 5, 3, 6 and 4. Like this, we have to print all the elements level by level. Let's see the constraints. Here, the nodes of the tree can go up to 500. So we don't need to worry about the constraints. And we have the same example as above. For level order traversal, we'll be using the data structure called queue. So in queue, we'll be adding the elements level by level and exploring that particular element. For example, we'll be adding 1, that is the root. While the queue is not null, we'll be removing the first element of the queue, that is the front of the queue, and print the elements and explore the elements further. Here, 1 is explored to 2, and again it will be popped out, and again 2 will be printed, then 5 will be explored. After 5 is printed, 3 will be explored, and 6 will be explored, and finally 4 will be explored. Like that, it will follow the order level by level. Okay, let's solve the problem to understand the problem in detail. Now we need to import that particular data structure from collections. From collections, import dq, or you can import a normal queue, both are same. Now we have to initialize the queue. So queue equals dq of, we have to initialize the queue with the root element. So we'll be creating a small list. In that list, we'll be having the root element, root. Now we will go for the main logic. Main logic, we will be creating a while loop in order to check the condition for the queue, whether the queue is not empty or not. While len of q, if len of q greater than 0 means the while loop executes the statements. Now we have to pop out the front element from the queue. So root equals q dot pop left. So here root is like a normal variable or pointer. You can name it anything you want. I'm just using it as root. Then we need to print the element we have popped. That will be print root. And again, we have to add the end parameter and equals space. Now, after printing the current element, we have to explore further. That is the next level. Explore the next level. To explore the next level, we will be checking the left and right of the root. If root dot left q dot append root dot left. Now the same goes for root dot right. If root dot right q dot append root dot right. Now we have added both the elements of the next level. If it has no level means it will just directly go to the next while loop and check for the condition. If it has some levels means and the level has some nodes means it will explore the nodes further. And as you can see, I'm just finishing the if condition in a single line. You can use the syntax like I did here. It is only useful for one statement. If you have multiple statements means you need to go for the normal structure, and that completes our logic. Initially, we are creating a queue with the root element, and for each iteration, we are checking whether the queue is not empty. If it's not empty means we will popping out the front element of the queue and printing that element. After printing that element, we are adding the further elements to the queue. This loop continues until it prints all the elements in the tree. Okay, let's run the code now. It passed the sample test case. Let's submit it. Yeah, we solved the problem. If this video is helpful to you, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for future videos. See you guys with a new video.